All right, welcome to today's tutorial. I will be treating limit of a function. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please encourage us by subscribing to the channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, we say thank you. And one of the encouragement you can give to us is to give this video a like, so YouTube can recommend it to other persons, and you can as well share it to your friends that may be in need of these mathematical challenges. All right, so limit of a function. The limit is a point we get closer and closer to as we carry out certain operation. Now, there are several methods of solving questions in the limit of a function. There are several ways to solve. Some of the methods we have by direct substitution method, direct substitution method. We have factorization method. Dividing with the variable of highest power, we have and others. So for today, we'll be looking at direct substitution method. Direct substitution method. So for the direct substitution method, it is very simple. Anywhere you see x, substitute the value of s for s in that function. Substitution method. All right. Now, given limit of a function, let's say 2x cubed plus 3x minus 4 as x tends to 2. How do we solve question like this? So you have to substitute the value of s, which is 2, for s in this function. Solution. So anywhere I see x, I replace it with what? 2 raised to power 3 plus 3x. I will use what? 2 minus 4. So this becomes 2 raised to power 3. Now in mathematics, you have to work the bracket first before you multiply by this number here. 2 raised to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. And that will give us what? 8. So that's 8. 3 raised to power 3 is 8. Plus 3 times 2, 6 minus 4. So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 6 minus 4. And our final answer will be 16 plus 6, that's 22, minus 4, and that's 18. So the limit of this function 2s cubed plus 3s minus 4 as s approaches 2 is what? 18. Let's take another question. All right, so example 2, let's take limit of 2x squared plus 4 all over x plus 1 as x tends to 2. So the same procedure, where you see s, substitute the value what? 2. So this becomes a solution. This becomes 2, place of x, 2, plus 4, x, 2. 2 squared will give us 4 all over 2 plus 1, 3. 2 times 4, 8 plus 4, that is 12 over 3, and our answer is 4. We can take another example. Example 3. Let's say limit of root x squared plus let's say 16 as s tends to 3. So solution, where you see s, replace with what? 3 all square plus 16. So this becomes 3 square will give us 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25, and square root of 25, our answer is 5. Okay, so when you see questions that requires substitution method, as the case may be, in as much as your denominator is not giving you 0, or probably you are not having 0 over 0, then we can work with substitution method. So in our next video, we'll be exploring factorization method, because there are some questions that you cannot solve with substitution method. By the time you substitute the value, it will give you 0 over 0, and that is an indeterminable function. It is undefined. So we cannot have a realistic answer as 0 over 0, or have our denominator as 0 in limit of a function. So some questions where you substitute 0, when you substitute the value of x into the function, you may have 0 over 0. And in such case, we cannot solve with this method. We have to alternate, we have to improvise to either use a factorization method. So in our next video, we will explore factorization method and dividing with the variable of highest power. All right, so you can try to solve this and leave your answer in the comment section. So try solving this. See, f of s, take limit of 4x power 3 minus x squared plus 2 as s tends to minus 1. So try this and leave your answer in the comment section. See you in our next video.